Next problem of adjustment entry. On 31st March 2018, capital accounts of E, M and A, after making adjustments for profits and drawings etc., were as E 8 lakhs, M 6 lakhs and A 4 lakhs. Subsequently, it was found that interest on capital and interest on drawings had been omitted. The partners were entitled to interest on capital at 5% per annum. Drawings during the year were given 2 lakhs, 1,50,000 and 90,000 respectively. And interest on drawings chargeable to the partners were rupees 5,000, 3,000, 600 and 2,000. The net profit during the year amounted to rupees 12 lakhs and profit sharing ratio was 3:2:1. Pass necessary adjustment entry for rectifying the above errors and of omission. Show your working. So here also we have to calculate capital at the beginning of all the partners, then we can allow the interest on capital. Then we have to prepare a statement showing adjustment, means adjustment table, and then in working note we can also prepare profit and loss appropriation account to know the correct profit, because we have to give the effect of correct profit in adjustment table. And then afterwards we will pass a single adjustment entry for net amount. Okay, let's start. So in this problem, here we will prepare adjustment table where capital accounts are given. So E's capital account, M's capital account and A's capital account, debit credit, debit credit, debit credit and firm's account particulars. In this problem also we have to calculate opening capital, that is capital at the beginning, because interest is always allowed on opening capital. So we will calculate capitals at the beginning, that is as on 1st April 2017 of E, M and A. Okay, so first we will write capital at the end, means closing capital, which is given in the problem. Their closing capital is 8 lakhs, 6 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Then we have to add drawings. Drawings is given in the problem. The partners drawings during the year 2 lakhs, 1,50,000 and 90,000. So after adding drawings, rupees 10 lakhs, rupees 7 lakhs 50,000 and rupees 4 lakhs 90,000. Now we have to deduct the profit already credited. So less profit already credited. Now see here, the total the total net profit is 12 lakhs and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. So 12 lakhs in 3:2:1, that will be 6 lakhs. 4 lakhs. 2 lakhs. डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट तुम्हाला येत असेल, आपण ते आधी शिकलेलो आहोत, तरी पण मी पाहिजे तर इथे दाखवते. टोटल प्रॉफिट इज 12 lakhs into the ratio is 3:2:1. So 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So 3/6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 and 2 lakhs into 3 will be 6 lakhs. In this way, second partner's share of profit is 4 lakhs and third partners 2 lakhs. So 10 lakhs minus 6 lakhs, 4 lakhs. 750 minus 4, 3 lakhs 50,000. And 490 minus 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs 90,000. These are capitals at the beginning. We have already studied how to calculate capital at the beginning. आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी एक्सप्लेन केलेलं होतं. आपण नेहमी प्रॉब्लेममध्ये सोडवताना कॅपिटल ॲट द बिगिनिंग घेतो, मग त्याच्यामध्ये मधून ड्रॉइंग्स लेस करतो आणि प्रॉफिट ॲड करतो, म्हणजे कॅपिटल ॲट द एंड होतं. आता आपल्याला अपोजिट काढायचं आहे म्हणून अपोजिट ॲक्शन्स केले आहेत. वी हॅव टू ॲड द ड्रॉइंग्स अँड लेस डिडक्ट द प्रॉफिट already given to the partners. Okay, now see here. Now we will prepare statement showing adjustment of entries, that is rectification of entries. Profit already distributed is 6 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 2 lakhs, so we have to take it back. So first will be profit already distributed is to be taken back. We have to take it back, so we have to debit their accounts by that amount. So 6 lakhs, then 4 lakhs, and for A it is 2 lakhs. Their accounts are debited by this amount, so firm's account will be credited by the total amount, that is 12 lakhs. Okay, then second point will be of interest on capital. See here, the rate of interest. They told us that they are entitled to get interest on capital at 5% per annum. So 5% interest here will be 5% of 4 lakhs will be 20,000. 10 lakhs 40,000, half of that will be 5%. Otherwise you can calculate by 4 lakhs into 5 upon 100. 5% of 3 lakhs 50,000 is 17,500, and 5% of 2 lakhs 90,000 is 14,500. This entry is omitted, so we will give them interest on capital, so their accounts will be credited for this amount. So interest on capital 20,000 to be credited to E's capital account, 17,500 to M's capital account, and to A's capital account 14,500. So total capital, total of these amount is 52,000. 52,000 will be debited to firm's account. Okay, now third point, that is interest on drawings. Interest on drawings chargeable to the partners were E 5,000, M 3,600, A rupees 2,000. Okay, so 5,000 will be debited to E's account, then 3,600 to M's account, 2,000 to A's account, and so amount credited to firm's account will be the total of these three amounts, so it is 10,600. This interest is charged on partners' drawings made by them. Okay, now we have to give correct profit to them. So profit to be credited means correct profit or actual profit. Now to calculate actual profit, we have to deduct from total profit. total profit is 12 lakhs. From 12 lakhs we have to deduct interest on capital and we have to add interest on drawings in that balance. ओके, आपण ते तोंडी पण करू शकतो किंवा आपण असा एक प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट पण करू शकतो. दोन्ही मेथड्स केल्या तरी चालतील. काही वेळेला प्रॉब्लेममध्ये प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अप्रोप्रिएशन करून दाखवा असंही सांगितलेलं असू शकतं. सो विल prepare a profit and loss appropriation account. By profit and loss account, net profit, that is 12 lakhs. Now we will add interest on drawings. So by interest on drawings, E, M and A, the amounts are 5,000, 3,600 and 2,000. So it is 10,600. Out of that we will give interest on capital. So to interest on capital account, E, M and A, 20,000, 17,500 and 14,500. Total is 52,000. Now we will tally this profit and loss appropriation account. Credit total is 12 lakhs 10,600. From that we will deduct 52,000. So balance is 11 lakhs 58,600. Now this profit will be distributed between the partners. So two partners capital account, E, M and A, were to distribute this profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. So 11 lakhs 58,600 into 3/6. So it is 5 lakhs 79,300. For M, 11 lakhs 58,600 into 2/6. So it is 3 lakhs 86,200. And 11 lakhs 58,600 into 1/6, it is 1,93,100. Okay, so this is the correct profit distributed between the partners. Instead of preparing profit and loss appropriation account, we can calculate directly, like net profit, add interest on drawings, from that total deduct means less interest on capital, total interest on capital, then we will get this amount, and then we have to distribute this amount between the partners. So now this correct profit we have to give back to the partners. So here this profit to be credited to their accounts. So it is 5 lakhs 79,300. To M, 3 lakhs 86,200. And to A, 1 lakh 93,100. So firm's account will be debited by 11 lakhs 58,600. Okay, now we add you can see here total of credit is 12 lakh 10,600. See here credit total is 12 lakhs 10,600 of appropriation account. Now we have deducted 52,000 and we got balance 11 lakhs 58,600. So this total is also 12 lakhs 10,600. फर्म्स अकाउंट टॅली झालेलं आहे. ईज कॅपिटल अकाउंट 6 lakhs and 5,000. So 6 lakhs 5,000. 279,300, sorry, 5,79,300 plus 20,000. So it is 5,99,300. So credit total is more, and difference between 5,99,300 and 6,05,000 is 5,700. So 5,700 we have to debit, because debit total is more and credit total is less by rupees 5,700. Now here 4 lakhs and 3,600. So 4 lakhs 3,600. 3,86,200 plus 17,500 is 4,03,700. 4,03,600 and 4,03,700. So this amount is more by rupees 100. So 100 credit. Okay. Now here 2,02,000. Total of 1,93,100 plus 14,500 is 2,07,600. So here 2,07,600 minus 2,02,000, 2,02,000, it is 5,600 credit. Okay, this is the net effect. According to we have to pass the journal entry. Each account will be debited by rupees 5,700 and these two partners accounts will be credited by rupees 100 and 5,600 respectively. So let's pass the journal entry now. Rectification entry or adjustment entry we can call. Now see, the date is 31st March 2018. We have to debit Ease capital account. So Ease capital account debit rupees 5,700 to A's capital account, to M's capital account and to A's capital account. M's capital account will be credited by rupees 100 and A's capital account will be credited by rupees 5,600. Okay. Adjustment entry or rectification entry is passed for means due to omission of interest on capital and drawings. Okay, in this way you have to write the narration. Solve this problem in your notebook now. Next problem. X, Y and Z are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Their fixed capitals were rupees 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 1 lakh respectively. For the year ended 31st March 18, interest on capital was credited to them at 10% per annum instead of 8% per annum. So, showing your working notes clearly, pass necessary adjustment journal entry. So, here their fixed capitals are given, capitals are fixed. So, we no need to calculate any capital again. We can give on this fixed capital the interest on capital. So here we have to prepare directly adjustment table. Interest on capital wrongly credited is 10% and interest on capital to be credited is 8% per annum. Keep it in mind. Okay. Now in this problem of X, Y and Z, they told us that their capitals are fixed, 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 1 lakhs. As their capitals are fixed, no need to calculate opening capital because we will calculate interest on capital on these fixed capitals only. They told us that for the year ended 31st March 2018, interest on capital was credited to them at 10% per annum instead of 8% per annum. Okay, means the rate of interest is wrong here. There is mistake in rate of interest. So now we'll prepare adjustment table. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल आपण तोंडी पण काढू शकतो. आता बघूया काय काय करायचं आहे बघा. त्यांनी प्रॉब्लेममध्ये सांगितलं आहे की देअर प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो इज 5:3:2 अँड फॉर द इयर एंडेड 31st March 2018 इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल वॉज क्रेडिटेड टू देम at 10% instead of 8%. Profit amount directly is not given in the problem. Okay, so first we will take back the interest on capital wrongly credited. So interest on capital wrongly credited. See, in the problem their capitals are 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 1 lakhs, and rate of interest given wrongly credited is 10%. Okay, so it will be 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. This amount will be debited to their accounts. म्हणजे आधी क्रेडिट केली होती ती आता डेबिट टाकणार आहोत आपण टू कॅन्सल द इफेक्ट, अँड फर्म्स अकाउंट विल बी क्रेडिटेड बाय द टोटल अमाउंट 60,000. ओके, then secondly correct interest on capital to be credited. Correct interest on capital to be credited to their accounts. Correct interest on capital 8%, that is okay, 8% of 3 lakhs, so it is 24,000 will be credited to X's current account. Then to Y 16,000, and 8% of 1 lakh, it is 8,000 will be credited to Z's current account, and total amount debited to firm's account is 48,000 debited, that is deducted. Okay, so now available profit with them will be, profit amount is not given, interest on capital wrongly credited, so 60,000 परत घेतलेत आणि 48,000 दिलेत. सो डिफरन्स बिटवीन these two amounts, that is 12,000 will be the profit. It will be credited to the partner's account. Okay, so profit to be credited in the ratio of 5:3:2. 60,000 minus 48,000, that is 12,000 in this ratio. This is only for your better understanding. Okay, now we will distribute 12,000 in the ratio of 3:2:1. So 12,000 into 3/6, it is 6,000 will be credited to X's current account. Then to Y 12,000 into 2/6, that is 3,600, and 2,400 will be credited to Z's current account, and 12,000 amount will be debited to firm's account. Okay, now let's make the total. Debit total is 30,000. Before that, see here, firm's credit total 60,000 and debit total will be obviously 60,000. X's current account debit total is 30,000 and credit total is 24,000. plus 6,000, so it is 30,000. So net effect for X nil. Okay. Now Y. Debit total 20,000. Credit total is 19,600. So there is difference of 400 and debit is more, so debit. Now in case of Z, debit total is 10,000, credit total is 10,400, so it is 400 credit. So we have to debit Y's current account by rupees 400 and Z's current account will be credited by rupees 400. There is no effect on X's current account due to this change. Okay, so here we will pass the journal entry. They told us that the date is given or not in the problem. Let's see. Specific date for the year ended 31st March 2018, interest on capital was credited wrongly, so 31st March 18, or you can write 1st April 18 also. So here Y's current account will be debited. Y's current account will be debited. Y's current account debit. As capitals are fixed, we have to use current account to Z's current account 400. Rectification entry or adjustment entry for excess interest on capital credited. This will be the journal entry. Okay. Next problem. A, B and C were partners. Their capitals were A 30,000, B 20,000 and C 10,000 respectively. According to the partnership deed, they were entitled to an interest on capital at 5% per annum. In addition, B was also entitled to draw a salary of rupees 500 per month. C was entitled to a commission of 5% on the profits after charging the interest on capital, but before charging the salary payable to B. Net profit for the year was rupees 30,000 distributed in the ratio of capitals without providing for any of the above adjustments. The profits were to be shared in the ratio of 5:2:3. Pass necessary adjustment entry showing the working clearly. So first we can prepare appropriation account and as a working note. Then we will prepare adjustment table and then we will pass adjustment entry here. Okay. Instead of preparing appropriation account, we can do the working in the different form also. Okay. So let's solve. Now in this problem, I have assumed that the capitals of partners are fixed. So I will not prepare, means I will not calculate opening capital. Here is the adjustment table, particulars, A's current account, B's current account, C's current account and firm, and debit and credit. Okay. Now here they told us that net profit for the year rupees 30,000 distributed in the ratio of capitals without providing for all the adjustment given in the problem, that is interest on capital, salary, commission, etc. So first, profit wrongly distributed to be taken back. 30,000 amount is distributed between the partners in their ratio, that is 5:2:3. ओके, मी तुम्हाला डिस्ट्रीब्युशन कसं असतं ते दाखवले बघा. दिस इज माय रफ पेज. 30,000 distributed in the ratio of 5:2:3. So 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 10. So 30,000 into 5 upon 10. 3,000 into 5, it is 15,000. Similarly 30,000 into 2 upon 10, it is 6,000. And 30,000 into 3 upon 10, it is 9,000. Okay. Oh sorry, I have mistaken here. Sorry, they told us that, see the problem, they told us that net profit was distributed in the ratio of their capitals. I will show it here to you. Net profit is distributed in the ratio of capitals, and their capitals are 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000 respectively. Okay. प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशोमध्ये नाही, तर त्यांनी सांगितलं आहे, माझी चूक होती इथे, की नेट प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्युटेड इन द रेशो ऑफ कॅपिटल, नॉट डिस्ट्रीब्युटेड इन द प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो. म्हणजे एकतर आधी इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल, सॅलरी आणि कमिशन न देता, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल वगैरे सगळं न देता त्यांनी प्रॉफिट देऊन टाकलं आहे पार्टनर्सना, तसाचा तसा वाटून टाकला आहे, विच इज रॉंग अँड रेशो इज ऑल्सो रॉंग इन दिस प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, so this ratio will be 3:2:1. So 30,000 rupees profit will be distributed in the ratio of 3:2:1, that is 3 upon 6, 30,000 into 2 upon 6 and 30,000 into 1 upon 6. This distribution is easy. So here profit wrongly distributed, इथे लिहिते मी, in the ratio of 3:2:1, that is capital ratio. So 15,000 to be debited to A's current account, 10,000 to be debited to B's current account, and C's current account will be debited by rupees 5,000. So firm's account will be credited by rupees 30,000. Understood? So you have to read the problem carefully, otherwise अशी मिस्टेक होऊ शकते जशी माझी मिस्टेक होत होती. सेकंड, नाव interest on capital, we have to give interest on capital to be credited. Interest on capital rate is, they are entitled to interest on capital at 5% per annum. So 5% on their capitals, 5% of 30,000, their first partner's capital is 30,000, so 5%, rupees 1,500 will be credited to A's current account, 1,000 to B's current account, that is 5% of 20,000, and 5% of 10,000 for C is 500. So total amount credited, debited to firm's account 3,000. Now 3, salary. Salary, B was also entitled to draw a salary of rupees 500 per month, only B. Okay, so there will be dash, no amount in A's column, or no amount will be given, that is credited to C's column. B will be given 500 rupees per month, means 500 into 12 months, that is 6,000 will be credited to B's account and will be debited to firm's account. Okay. Now commission, there is a different point here. They told us that C was entitled to a commission of 5% on the profits after charging the interest on capital, but before charging the salary payable to B. Means C ला कमिशन 5% मिळणार आहे कोणत्या प्रॉफिटवर, तर आफ्टर चार्जिंग द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल, मीन्स आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल बट बिफोर डिडक्टिंग सॅलरी. दिस इज द मिनिंग. सो हियर आय विल शो यू नेट प्रॉफिट 30,000. ओके, लेस इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल Total interest on capital is 3000, so we will deduct 3000 from this amount. Net profit after charging interest on capital is 27,000, and this is before charging the salary, means before charging the before deducting the salary amount from this amount. So now C will get 10% of 27,000 commission. Okay, so for commission to C, only to C, so in C's column 5% of 27,000 is 1350, so 1350 will be credited to C and debited to firm's account. Okay, now we have to calculate correct profit. In the last problem, we have prepared profit and loss appropriation account for calculating. See here, no, last problem. We have prepared profit and loss appropriation account. Now here we will directly calculate net profit. We have to deduct from net profit interest on capital less salary to be 6,000 and commission to C, salary to be 6,000 and commission to C 1350. Total amount is 7350. नेट प्रॉफिटमधून इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल आणि सॅलरी आणि कमिशन आपण लेस करणार आहोत. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स नाही आहे, अदरवाईज इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स आपल्याला नेट प्रॉफिटमध्ये ॲड करावं लागलं असतं, हे लक्षात ठेवा. सो नाव लेट सी द डिफरन्स. It is 19,650. Correct net profit is 19,650. Okay, so now correct net profit will be distributed. Net profit in the correct ratio, that is 5:2:3. We have to distribute 19,650 in this ratio. So 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 10. So 19,650 into 5 upon 10. 19,650 into 2 upon 10 and 19,650 into 3 upon 10. Okay, here 1010 1965 into 5 9825 3930. Correct. Then here 1965 into 3, that is 5895. This share of profit will be credited to their account. So 9825 3930 to B's current account and 5895 in C's current account. So total amount, that is 19,650, will be debited to firm's account. Okay, now let's do the total. $15,000 11,325. Correct. 10,000 10,930. 5,000 debit total of C's current account. Credit total 7745, total 30,000, total 30,000. Okay, now here debit total is more and difference between 15,000 and 11,325, so 3675 debit. Here 930 rupees credit. Here 2745 credit. This is the net effect. आपण या ठिकाणी डिफरन्सला डेबिट लिहितो कारण डेबिट टोटल जास्त आहे, म्हणजे तेवढे पैसे त्याला द्यायचे राहिले, त्याच्याकडून घ्यायचे राहिलेत. परत घ्यायचे पैसे जास्त आहेत, दिल्याचे पैसे कमी आहेत, सो एवढे अमाऊंट आपल्याला परत घ्यायला पाहिजे. सो हिज अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड. हा अर्थ लक्षात घ्या. ओके, सो नाव यू कॅन पास द जर्नल एंट्री फॉर धिस नेट इफेक्ट. कॅन यू? सो A's current account will be debited by 3675 and B's current account and C's current account will be credited by 930 and 2745 rupees respectively. So the entry will be A's current account debit 3675, to B's current account 930, to C's current account 2745, and narration will be being the adjustment entry passed or rectification entry passed. Okay, in this way, for past adjustment, you have to prepare adjustment table and pass one single journal entry. Now solve this problem in your notebook, and if there is any doubt, you can ask.